Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to set up fingerprint on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So simply at first open your settings, scroll down, click on lock screen and AOD. Click on the first option, enter your current pattern, then you get more way pin, password, pattern, face and fingerprint. So like select add your fingerprint, click on to continue, press on register. Okay, and use your finger. I'm just use this finger. Okay, and move your finger. Okay, now complete 100%. Or if you want to add another finger, just press on to add. I'm just only set one finger, press on done. Okay, now I'm test. Press on done. Okay, let's try. Okay, so that's it.